delivering the inaugural address at the first TLC Expo here in Pune. Abhay Daptardar, the chief guest, spoke why people like Rajendra Bagwe should be recommended for Padma Awards. We have seen many exhibitions and we have seen many inaugurations. This is the first time when we have seen more than 100 entrepreneurs coming and listening to the words of people who are inaugurating. That is what TLC have made difference, and this is their first mega exhibition showcasing innovations from their members.
Every person on this planet needs a job. And who gives jobs? Government or entrepreneurs? Government cannot give so many jobs. We need 200 million jobs. Now, how do you create jobs? It's only when an entrepreneur becomes successful or grows, and grows in multi-folds, that means 10x growth, then 10x jobs are created. And how does TLC help here? Because TLC's core purpose is to make the Indian entrepreneur successful. And success means not only top line and bottom line or financial growth, it's all about also creating jobs and how many jobs you create.
Ever since my getting into this very prominent ministry in 1994, since then I have come across very first time a very, very vibrant industrial expo. And this is named as TLC Expo, Teaching Learning Community Expo.
TLC started working in 2005 with the 15 entrepreneurs. 21 years down the line, we did not know that it will grow to this extent. Gradually, we created ripples. Gradually, we created a structured learning. We have 4 values by which the TLC is growing. The first most important value is knowing by doing. So if you don't do something, you don't know. And entrepreneurship is also all about doing. Second value is learning by teaching. It's ulta. That means you learn more when you teach. And entrepreneurs, if they want to grow, they need to learn and teach. The third is by this process itself, ripples are created, and so we said we will create ripples. And now we are in the process of creating waves from one city to another. So cities have now started becoming job creators and not only entrepreneurs.
There are several constraints as far as micro, small, medium enterprises, several challenges for this sector. We are ready to overcome these challenges in coming days. This is what something my ministry has been seriously contemplating at senior officials level to introduce more initiatives from Ministry of MSME. So cost competitiveness is one of the initiatives, because what matters to micro, small enterprises is the cost. Cost to credit, cost to technology, cost to access is something, which is very relevant to this micro, small, medium enterprises, their constraints and their challenges.
There is this multiplier effect where you get leads and then you grow your business through those leads. Even 5% of the leads can create businesses. It also sets an aspiration reset, because when you see others successful doing good business, you also feel that you should also do it. And so that is how an ecosystem is created. I have a great vision for TLC. We want to go to 10,000 entrepreneurs by 2030, and TLC Expo is one of the initiatives to help us do that.
Once again, I congratulate TLC members, its founder, initiator Rajendra Bagwe. On their own, they have organized this event, and I am really happy and delighted to be the part of this event.